Good morning, Baker. Today is Thursday, May 22nd, 2014.
And these are your announcements.
This is Baker Middle School and IB World School. Attention 6th graders. Results from the Baker Derby competition after 2 weeks, we have a tight race. In 5th place, Mr. Latoury's 2B. In 4th place, Mr. Latoury's 3A. In 3rd place, Mr. Latoury's 1A. In 2nd place, Mrs. Bolivar's 4A. Tied for 1st, Mrs. Bolivar's 3A and Mrs. Voss's class. Week 3 is underway. Good luck.
Attention Baker 8th graders. Our PTO will be holding mock elections for teachers at lunch Thursday and Friday. Here's a chance to vote for your teachers into some funny categories. Election results will be revealed at the 8th grade celebration. Be sure to cast your votes at lunch today.
For all students who go to tutoring, tonight will be the last after-school tutoring session for the year. Please come to the media center after school.
Attention students. Students must return all the books back to the media center by May 30th. Please check lockers, gym bags, the band room, your room at home, your car, etc.
Teachers, please return books, DVDs, cameras, etc. that you have borrowed by June 6th.
Lunch today is chili cheese dog, tater tots, baby carrots, garden side salad, or nacho supreme.
Dodgeball news. The dodgeball tournament is coming up on June 5th. Get your team together to try and win the golden trophy and be heroes of the school. There will be a concession stand, music, and best dressed team along with the top all-girls team, top 6th grade team, top 7th grade team, top 8th grade team will get awards. The money goes to Videotech equipment and to the charity Flashes of Hope. Put your application, permissions, and money in one big envelope and give it to Mr. Quinn. We have a 20-team limit, so get your money in soon.
Team packets are due tomorrow, May 23rd. Right now, we only have 10 teams all paid for. We need more. Friday is the due date. There are more applications outside room 103. We'll post the bracket next week.
Today, thank you to all the pink-wearing students and teachers for breast cancer awareness. Tomorrow is the actual Relay for Life walk. Students will join the fight against cancer, writing a message on the remembrance wall and walking the track during their humanities classes. Donation envelopes will also be collected at this time, or donations can be made online.
The Da Vinci Awards are next week, May 28th. Do you want to see the best videos from this year at Baker? Come to the award ceremony next Wednesday night at 7.
Now over to Surya with sports and clubs.
Here are the track results from yesterday. The Baker 8th grade girls defeated the Smith Knights yesterday 77-47. Earning points for Baker were Peyton Smith, first in the 55 hurdles, second in the 200 hurdles, and first in the 400 relay. Toke Awafala, second in the 55 hurdles, first in the 200 hurdles, and first in the high jump. Alicia McCollum, first in the 800 relay, first in the 200 dash, first in the 400 relay. Kaylee Peak, first in the 800 relay, first in the 1600 relay. Euphemia Wardlaw, first in the 800 relay, second in the 200 dash, and first in the 400 relay. Fabiola Ash, first in the 800 relay. Rachel Eads, second in the 800 run. Katie Walters, third in the 800 run. Anshula Sudarn, third in the 1600 run. Jennifer Johnson, first in the 100, 70, and 400 relay. Morgan Larry, third in the 100-meter dash. Alexis Swig, first in the 400 relay, and second in the high jump. Stephanie Prada, third in the 400 dash, first in the 1600 relay. Liz Pop, first in the 1600 relay. Dina Johnson, first in shot put. Skylar Carney, third in shot put. Great job, girls. Next meet is Tuesday. They will go to the city championships. The 8th grade boys track team won against Smith on Wednesday with a score of 73-55. First place finishes were Nick Wall in the 400 and 800, Tron Kennard in the 70, Kyle Strong in the 200, the 4x4 relay team, the 4x2 relay team, Nick Cotton in the long jump, and Josh Eckerly in the shot put. Awesome job, 8th grade boys. We'll have a city meet on Tuesday next week at Troy High at 2:30. Athletes will be excused after third hour to get ready so they can come on the bus by 1:45. So come and cheer on your Bobcats. Finally, from Coach McIntosh, the 7th grade girls defeated Smith yesterday in an outstanding team effort with the final score being 95-31. A great job, ladies. The city meet is on Tuesday. All 7th grade track athletes meet in room 207 immediately following school for a quick team meeting before practice. Girls interested in playing basketball at Troy High, please see Mr. Quinn to pick up a summer league packet. Any boys 6th, 7th, or 8th grade interested in playing basketball, Pick up a Troy Sports Camps flyer outside Lab 203, or back to the anchors.
Thanks, Surya.
That's all the announcements for today, Baker. Have a great day. We'll end with a dodgeball commercial.